Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Certified Digital Tax Accountant Faidan Khalid, and in this video lesson I'm going to teach you Zero. So today is the first lesson of Zero accounting course. So US version, right? So Zero has, as you know, mostly used in the Europe side like UK, Australia, New Zealand, but US last year or this year Zero has entered in the US market as well. Right, so it is a very good platform, I must say. After QuickBooks Online, Zero is also a very good platform. The other platforms are ZooBooks US version, and Zero US version, and QuickBooks Online US version. Right. So this course is about Zero US version. Got it? So as you know, Zero has change some of their dashboard kind of things, layout of the software in recently in 2025, like June or July. They've just changed their all the things, as you can see. If you use Zero previously, so you will experience a change, the update of Zero. Okay, so unlike QuickBooks Desktop, Unlike QuickBooks, Zero doesn't have any desktop version, right? So they are offering just cloud-based software like Zero, only one software, Zero, and cloud-based. But QuickBooks, if you compare Zero with QuickBooks, so QuickBooks has two versions, like cloud-based as well as desktop version, right? So now let's talk about, this is dashboard, as you can see. So this is a home. When you log in, you will, in the home tab, right? In the home tab, you will see the dashboard. In the dashboard, you will see all the things, sales, expenses, everything. Got it? Invoices owed to you. And you can also customize your dashboard. For example, you don't want to remove one of the things. You don't want to see all the things in the dashboard, so you can remove from here, like you can minus them, or you can also add from here if you want to add more things, right? Okay, so what you can do is, this is home. Got it? As you can see, checking account, this is savings account. How many accounts doesn't matter, whether you have two accounts, one bank account, two bank accounts, 10 bank accounts, one credit card, all of the things you will see here. Got it? Bills to pay. Okay. Now let's talk about the sales tab, right? When we click sales tab, first of all, let's talk about how many tabs are there. Home, sales tab, sales tab, purchases tab, reporting tab, accounting tab, tax tab, contacts tab, projects tab, right? Now, as I already showed you about the home tab, now I'm going to discuss about in this lesson. This lesson is about sales tab, right? Overview of the Zero software and the sales, regarding the sales. So let's click sales overview. When I click sales overview, it will show you all the sales, like what invoices are paid, what invoices are not paid, carded draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment. These are the awaiting payment, and we haven't collected the payment yet of these. This is a total. This is the total amount of the payment which we haven't collected yet from the customers, right? Overdue. This is the overdue, right? 5 invoices are overdue, say. Okay. So when we see this plus sign, is when we create, just like QuickBooks Online, we create invoice. We can create an invoice from here. We can create a bill from here. We can create a contact, means whether it's a vendor or a customer. We can create from here the quotation. Purchase order we can create from here. We can enter the journal entry from here, or adjusting entry from here. Spend money means, for example, we want to create a cash expense, so we can expense, right? Receive money, for example, we've cash sales. So we record the cash sales from receive money from here. Transfer money, for example, if we want to transfer money from one bank account to another bank account, or from one bank account to credit card, or credit card account to bank account, so we can transfer money from here. So this is a good tab, plus tab. Otherwise, we can also create the sales from the sales tab invoices. We can create the invoices from the sales tab as well in Zero. Online payments, quotations, products and services, customers. When we see purchases, as you can see, purchases overview, just like sales overview. We have bills, we have online bill payments, we have purchase orders, we have checks, we have expenses, we have suppliers. Just like customers, we have a suppliers option here. In reporting, all of the reports we have. But as compared to QuickBooks Online, so there are not many reports in Zero software. Whatever subscription you have, whether you have XYZ subscription, it doesn't matter. The reporting options are less, are fewer than QuickBooks Online, right? If you're a user of QuickBooks Online, so definitely there are many reports in QuickBooks software as compared to Zero software. 1099 reports, account transactions, accounts payable aging summary, all the reports from here if you want to see. These are not all reports. If you want to see all the reports, so you can click here, all the reports, you will see rest of the reports as well in this software. Like favorites, these are the favorites, but these are the all reports. Financial performance reports, financial statements, payables and receivables reports, payroll reports, projects, reports, reconciliation. These are the project reports, reconciliation reports, taxes and balances reports, transactions reports, right? But not as many as Zero online desktop QuickBooks Online have. Got it? Has. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a lesson about overview, and in the next lesson I will teach you the rest of the things, like how to make a purchase order, how to make sales invoices, how to make cash invoices and invoices, cash sales receipt, cash sales and credit sales, and reporting, then reconciliation, then categorization. All of the things I will teach you in this Zero course. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? This is an accounting tab. In accounting tab, you can create bank rules, bank accounts, chart of accounts, fixed assets, manual journals, find and recode, assurance dashboard, history and notes, accounting settings, tax, sales tax, 1099, contacts, all contacts, customers, suppliers, contractors, training groups, projects, right? I will teach you the rest of the things which we need in the accounting process. So this is the first lesson. This lesson was about an introductory. So I've given you the introduction of Zero software. So I will teach you the rest of the things in the next lessons. Until then, take a very good care of yourself, ladies and gentlemen. I'm signing off from here. Take care. Allah Hafiz.